Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to clear all cache in Windows 11 to improve performance and speed up any PC. After using for a long time, your PC might be performing low and running slow and you have a hard time in browsing internet. So there is a solution to overcome all those things by clearing all the cache in your PC. So let's straight away get into the solution. First you have to go into the start. From there just type in run. And from here, just type in the command that is %temp %. Then click on OK. Now it will take you to the temp folder in your computer where all the temporary files has been stored, which includes the software related and the hardware related files. So what you have to do is just select all the files by clicking Ctrl All, or you can drag and select all the files and then click delete. Now if any application is open in the Windows, then it will show that the action cannot be completed because the file is open in Google Chrome, because right now the Google Chrome is open. So you can leave those files if you want, or you can close Google Chrome or the related application and come back here and delete the rest of the files. And the next method is to again go to the start. From there just run the run command. Now from here just avoid the percentage and type temp again and click on OK. Just click on continue. Now it will take to the Windows temp file. Select all these files and click delete. Now the next thing you have to do is you have to go to your My Computer or My PC. Now from here just go to the C drive, and from here you can see that there are two files, that is hyperfile.sys and pagefile.sys. These are consuming huge amount of data. Although it is possible to delete this pagefile.sys, it is not recommended because it is an important file for Windows to run smoothly. Since it consumes a lot of data, instead you can resize or move the page file.sys. So if you decide to moving the page file.sys to an external drive will increase your system speed. I'll show you how you can do that. So before doing that, you have to make sure that your hard drive is formatted to NTFS, which can handle large file sizes. Now for that you have to go to the start. From there just type in control panel. Just open the control panel. Just open system, and then you have to open advanced system settings. Now here in the performance section you can see that visual effects, processor scheduling and virtual memory. Just click on this settings. Now from here go to the advanced tab. Now from here just click on change. Now you have to uncheck this automatically manage paging file size for all drives. Now just go down and just look for system manage size. Now from here just select no paging file. Now just click on set. It will take you to the warning file. Now click on yes if you want to proceed. Now after this you have to restart your PC to make these changes effect, and once it is restarted automatically delete the old page.sys and create a new one on an external drive. So this will improve your system performance too, because C drive will not be no longer holding this huge amount of data. Now if you don't want to remove it to the external drive but want to resize the page file.sys, then you can do it from here itself. Just click on the custom size and you can mention the size limit here. That's it. Now once you have set the custom size, then you can restart your computer. Now the next method is to remove the windows.old files from your system drive. Now for that you have to go to the My PC. Now from here just open the C drive and look for if you have the windows.old file available here. If you have the one here you can delete it, but otherwise you can use the Windows settings option to delete the old file. Now for that just go to the startup. Now from there just open the settings. Now from here just click on the system tab and then go to the storage and just wait till the files are scanned. Now from here, just look for cleanup recommendation. Just open it. Now you will see the temporary Windows installation file, and also you will be able to see the previous installation files of Windows. If that is available, just select it and then click on cleanup. That's it. Now the next thing you have to do is to go back to the C drive, and from here just open the Windows folder. Now just look for software distribution, just type in yes, you'll get it here, software distribution. Just open it. Now just click on open download, and this is the files which you do not require anymore, so just select all those things and delete it. That's it. Now the next method is to clear all the files from the prefetch. For that, just click on start. From there, go to the C drive, and from there to the Windows again, and then look for the folder prefetch. You will get it here. This is a cache file of the Windows frequent used applications and files. So this is a huge number of files. You can see it here. That is not required. So just select it and delete it. Some files may not be able to remove because that is currently running. So leave or skip those files. That's it. Now you have successfully cleared the cache of all your operating system. Now we will move to the hard drive cache and disk cache to remove those. For that, just click on startup. From there, just type in disk cleanup. You'll get the tool here. Now just select the drive which you want to clean up and click on OK. Now select these options, that is temporary file, recycle bin, and whichever unnecessary you find, just click on that and click OK. Now you can apply the same method to the rest of the drives to clean up the unnecessary files. Now the next method is to clear all the old restore points which is unnecessary or not required and which will save a lot of space. So for that, just go to the start. From here, just type in create restore point. You'll get it here. Just open it. Now from here, just select on C drive and then select configure. Since I have already cleared the restore point, it is not showing the current usage, but otherwise if you have a restore point, it will show the current usage with the amount of data it is stored. And if you want to delete all those restore points, old restore points, just click on delete and click continue. That's it. Now the next step is to clear cache from the Windows Explorer. For that, you have to open the Windows Explorer, that is your PC. Now from here, just click on the three-dot button and from there click on options. Now just go to the view, and from here just make sure that the show hidden files and folders is active. If that is not selected, just go and select it and click on apply. Once that is done, just go to the general tab. Now from here, just look for the privacy tab, then click on clear the Explorer history and just click clear. Now you can see that all the Explorer history has been cleared from the left side, and click on OK. Now the next solution is to clear the files with related to the Microsoft Store. If you are facing issues with the Microsoft Store performing slow, then there is an option to reset the Microsoft Store and clear the cache files from the Microsoft Store. So for that, you have to click on start. From there, just click on just type in cmd, that is command prompt. Just right click on it and run it as an administrator. Type in the command wsreset.exe and run it. Now it will clear all the cache and restart your Microsoft Store. That's it. Now the next thing you have to do is you have to clear the location history cache. For that, just click on the start. From here, just go to the settings. Just search for location. You'll get the location privacy settings here. Just open it. Now from here you will find the option that is location history. Just click on clear. That's it. So these are the various ways with you can clear all the caches in your Windows 11 to improve performance and speed up your PC. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.